This is my car, this is Saxony, and this is a nice route for a drive. Today we will put these Google travel time predictions to the test. The STI was built in 2007 with a 2.5 liter boxer engine. This one works with 400 horsepower. Trust me, you can feel every bit of that power on the road. So the first goal, I think it was 12 kilometers. And Google gave us 14 minutes for that. Just to be clear, I stick to that speed, to the speed limit. We reached the first goal after 12 minutes and 50 seconds. That means 1 minute faster than Google predicted. I didn't see any traffic so far, so fingers crossed it remains that way. So the next goal is 14 kilometers. I think Google Maps gave us 17 minutes. I can't believe it, there's still no traffic, at least on our lane. So second goal after 15 minutes and 55 seconds, it means we are still just 1 minute ahead of Google. Okay, now we head for the third goal. It was 18 kilometers and Google gave us 1 minute. So the third part reached after 19 minutes and 30 seconds, so 1.5 minutes ahead of Google predictions. So now the final destination, it was 22 kilometers for that whole track and Google gave us 29 minutes. So that's it, we needed a total time of 27 minutes and 10 seconds for the whole route, and that means we are almost 2 minutes ahead of Google predictions. Because of that low traffic we had, I was expecting much more than 2 minutes difference. Anyway, thank you for watching and tell me in the comments what you did like and what you did not like. So see you next time.